Here today to talk about our newest keyboard, which is the G915 Lightspeed RGB mechanical keyboard.
Guys. Ace.
What?
Look.
What? Brand new?
Yes!
This is a $90 keyboard.
And you broke it.
Hey. Oh. Dude, what's your mom gonna say?
Dude, wait till he tells you the
There's the
story
problem.
of what the f happened.
There's a bunch of
There's the
circuits
issue.
It's a bunch of what?
Sports players have been depending on ProX keyboards for tournament-ready reliability and performance for years.
But guys, I gamed way too hard. I was gaming, and something inside me just...
But of course, it wouldn't be a Logitech G mechanical keyboard without a choice of switch options.
Here's the problem.
It's like a bunch of...
That's funny.
There's like a bunch of shitty, like, letters
There's a
on
bunch
it.
of, like,
You're supposed to get
There's
the
like
green one.
shit all over your keyboard.
Yeah,
There's
yeah,
like
yeah.
shit everywhere.
There's like all this
Dude,
shit
open
on it. You see this?
Open your key. Open your
What
key.
the f is this?
Bro, look at the inside of your key.
We've got the black model here with us today, so let's pop it out of the box and dive into the new feature.
It's supposed to be white.
What the f?
What's in here, dude?
What the hell
The
is
government!
this?
The government! It's the government, dude! The government put all that shit in there, dude. The stupid fucking government. You should have recorded that, dude.
Oh shit! Guys! This was the new one I just bought! Oh, I meant to break the other one! Oh! Dang it.
That's so sad. Can we get a repeat? Can we get a... No, yeah. Can we get a rewind?
The circuit board where capacitors and resistors and circuits pop up so that every millimeter can be taken out. There's no air, it's just super tight.
Oh,
Isn't that clicking?
but here's the problem.
It's really good clicking sound.
And eventually when you play with it and use it for a long time, if you do, microfiber rubs them right off.
Yeah, look,
That's how you...
Big piece
Yeah,
of
yeah.
shit.
Watch your
Do
finger now.
this thing's a
She's a big old piece of shit.
And of course, you also get tournament-tested, super fast wireless performance.
Good old rewind.
Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Logitech G works with every element of the gaming community.
Guys, what the f is wrong with my keyboard? Go down!
Well, Lightspeed in the G915 is really great. It gives the keyboard 1 millisecond response rate.
WK's not working!
Is this sticky keys? Am I on sticky keys?
Oh, someone,
Guys,
someone took all my keys!
Some kids just broke my shit!
Damn
Bro,
it.
bro. God damn it, bro. I got sticky keys on.
I really like the look and feel of this.
Go back! Go back!
I want to go back!
I want to go back! It's not doing it!
Dude, thought your phone.
I thought that was a feature!
Outer layers are two different pieces, and that means that the characters are super clear and sharp.
Yeah, I don't like that. No.
You hear that? You hear that? It sounds like shit.
It's not supposed to do that. It's not supposed to do that.
Butters, you should stab it.
The ProX TKL. The most obvious is a nice, clean, cable-free aesthetic.
Yeah, man.
Guys, I thought it was foldable like a laptop. What the? This is just like I can't do anything with this now.
Yeah, they look
These
kind of
things?
trash to me.
They sound like
See?
shit. They look like shit. They gotta go.
Bad review.
They gotta go.
Thumbs down.
What's the review you give it?
This thing is so dirty.
Probably like a 2.
What do you give it, Butters? What's the review you give it?
I give it a 2. It's a piece of shit.
Piece of
This
shit.
thing sucks.
Yeah.
This thing
Throw that out
sucks.
And this is my favorite. I don't know how I'm going to top it. It's just my favorite keyboard ever. It's like I feel like I've made something that's going to change the way you play for the better.
It's like this like, what is that? What is that even for?
Bro, it's like no. You keep that, so it levels the. It stands up on it. You know how some.
Bipod.
Yeah. You know how some keyboards have the little bipods in the back? That's what it is. Bro, that's $1,000 feature right there.
Shit. You right?
2 years of perfecting keycap surfaces.
I think they gave you a broken one in the package.
I think they got me a broken one. This thing sucks. It came out broken.
What is it? What was it? Logitech?
Dude, this is like, I can't do this. Dude, what the am I like supposed to like? There you go. Now I can really see it. Oh yeah. See? Not supposed to do that.
Bro, you should tell Logitech how bad their keyboard
Should I
is.
plug this in?
Yes.
No, don't.
Oh wait,
Yes.
yeah.
I don't even think you can.
Yeah, it doesn't even work anymore.
Yeah. Shit.
Logitech. This green. I didn't ask for green. I asked for
Logitech, I think we're gonna need an apology video for this.
buttons. Dude, these like rubber things.
Yeah.
I didn't ask for those.
See these?
I didn't want these. Oh.
Oh. Okay.
This is a keyboard that I'm very attached to and very proud of because this is almost a total time 6-year journey.
Sucks. I want to die because of this product.
But we're doing it.
Oh,
Come on.
we're killing ourselves.
Come on. Anytime.
But we're doing it.
Anytime. Man, I can't do anything with this.
Piece of shit.